Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this module, we'll talk about classes, objects, and methods in Java programming, and specifically top 20 questions for classes, objects, and methods. So let's get started. Question number 1. What is a class in Java and how does it relate to objects? A class in Java is a blueprint or template for creating objects that have similar properties and behaviors. Objects are instances of classes created by calling the class constructor. Question number 2. What is an object in Java and how is it created from class? An object in Java is an instance of a class that has properties and methods. It is created by calling the constructor of the class with the new keyword. Question number 3. What is constructor in Java and how is it used to initialize objects? A constructor in Java is a special method that is called when an object of a class is created. It is used to initialize the object's properties. Question number 4. What is the difference between constructor and method in Java? A constructor is used to initialize the object's properties when it is created, while a method is used to perform same operation on an object after it has been created. Question number 5. What is encapsulation and how is it achieved through access modifiers? Encapsulation in Java is the practice of hiding the implementation details of a class from the user of the class. It is achieved through access modifiers like public, private, and protected. Question number 6. What is inheritance and how is it used to create subclasses? Inheritance in Java is the ability of a class to inherit properties and methods from a parent class. It is used to create subclasses that have additional properties and methods. Question number 7. What is polymorphism and how is it used to create objects of different types? Polymorphism in Java is the ability of an object to take on many forms. It is used to create objects of different types that can be treated as the same type. Question number 8. What is an interface in Java and how is it used to define a set of methods that must implement? An interface in Java is a collection of abstract methods that a class must implement. It is used to define a set of methods that a class must have. Question number 9. What is method overloading in Java and how is it used to create multiple versions of a method with different parameters? Method overloading in Java is the practice of creating multiple methods with the same name but different parameters. It is used to create multiple versions of a method with different parameter types. Question number 10. What is method overriding and how is it used to change the behavior of method in subclass? Method overriding in Java is the practice of changing the behavior of a method in subclass. It is used to provide a different implementation of a method that is defined in the parent class. Question number 11. What is static method and how is it used to call a method without creating an object? A static method in Java is a method that belongs to a class rather than to an instance of the class. It is used to call a method without creating an object of the class. Question number 12. What is a final class in Java and how is it used to prevent subclassing? A final class in Java is a class that cannot be subclassed. It is used to prevent changes to the class hierarchy. Question number 13. What is a final method in Java and how is it used to prevent method overriding? A final method in Java is a method that cannot be overridden in a subclass. It is used to prevent changes to the behavior of the method. Question number 14. What is a default method in Java? How is it used to add new behavior to an interface without breaking existing implementations? A default method in a Java is a method that has an implementation in an interface. It is used to add new behavior to an interface without breaking existing implementations that do not implement the new method. Question number 15. What is an abstract class in Java and how is it used to provide a base class for other classes to inherit from? An abstract class in Java is a class that cannot be instantiated but can be used as a base class for other classes to inherit from. It is used to provide a set of common properties and methods for subclasses to use. Question number 16. What is a static variable and how is it used to store data that is shared by all instances of a class? A static variable in Java is a variable that belongs to a class rather than to an instance of the class. It is used to store data that is shared by all the instances of the class. Question number 17. What is the difference between private and protected access modifiers in Java? Private access modifiers in Java are used to restrict access to a class member to only the class itself. Protected access modifiers are used to restrict access to a class member to the class and its subclasses. Question number 18. What is the difference between an instance variable and a class variable? An instance variable in Java is a variable that belongs to an instance of a class, while a class variable is a variable that belongs to the class itself. Instance variables are unique to each instance, while class variables are shared by all the instances. Question number 19. What is a method signature in Java? How is it used to differentiate between overloaded methods? A method signature in Java is the name of a method and the number, order, and the types of its parameters. It is used to differentiate between overloaded methods. And here we are with the final question, question number 20. What is a package in Java? How is it used to organize classes and prevent naming conflicts? A package in Java is a way of organizing related classes and preventing naming conflicts. It is used to group classes together and provide a namespace for them. Thank you so much for your time. Now let's remember technology is the key to unlock limitless possibilities. Please comment if you have any questions or you would like to get in touch with us. Thank you so much.